So a database will normally have different types of objects, and primarily the most important objects in database is the tables. So database will have tables, and additional to tables, all these things will revolve around the tables. So tables are the prime objects in any database, and tables play a critical role, right? Now tables will have columns and rows, and we can also have views, functions, constraints, and we also have systables. So these are the tables that comes with installation of SQL Server, joins to retrieve the data from multiple tables, logins if you want to give access for new users, and backups if you want to take a backup of database, and transactions is nothing but group of multiple commands. And triggers when there is a dependency from one table to other table, and if you delete a record in first table, and if you want to delete the dependent rows in the second table, then we normally use triggers when we have some dependency, right? And stored procedure is like group of commands, like group of SQL commands we group into a stored procedure with some logic implemented in that. Now, the first one is we will learn about the types of commands. So first thing is we have here is DDL commands. So DDL stands for data definition language, DML stands for data manipulation language, and DCL stands for data control language, and the last one is transactional control language, and TCL stands for transactional control language. Now, anything that's related to table, that is DDL, creating a table, altering a table, and dropping a table. So it's DDL. And the second one, select, insert, update, and delete. So we are doing selecting the data, inserting the data, updating the data, and deleting the data. So that belongs to DML. And DCL, data control language, your database administrator will use it when you join the project. It is grant and revoke. And the last one deals with transactions, and that is commit and roll back. So this is about the types of commands that we have in SQL Server, and not only in SQL Server, this applies to almost all database softwares.